Hello guys, so someone in my paid course asked me a question that why do we add 14 inches to the chest and then we divide it by 2 to get the box frame? Why 14 inches? Why not 12? Why not 10? Why not 20? Why 14? And this is the reason why I am doing this video, to explain to you that the reason why we add that 14 is not because is not something we just added to bamboozle somebody. There's actually an explanation to the 14, and that is what I'm going to explain to you in this video. And if you're watching this video, you don't know what I'm talking about, you need to go and watch all my videos on how to draft a suit. And also, I will encourage you to pay and register for my paid course, which is ongoing on Telegram. Send me a message. I'm going to leave my number in the description of this video. Send me a message on WhatsApp and secure your space for the course. So let's get into it. Let me start explaining it for you and you see what I mean. Alright, so somebody asked, why do we add 14 inches to the box to get the box frame? Why not another number? And that's what I want to explain in this video, right? So let me just go over it again. So remember, I said whenever we are doing a double vent, which is the one we did in the tutorial here, when we are doing a double vent, we add 14 inches to the chest and we divide it by 2 to get the double vent. And whenever we are doing a single vent, we add 8 inches to the chest and we divide it by 2. Yeah, so that is that. And then this is for this, right? Now the question is, how did we come about this 14 inches? How did we come about this 8? Why not maybe 20 here? Why not 12? Why not 13? Why 14? And that is why, well, that is what I'm going to explain here. So I'm just trying to show you how it is not maybe a guesswork. It's not a number we just thought of and then we decided to use. There's actually a reason. There's actually, this 14 inches goes into something. There's a reason, and that's what I want to explain here. Okay, so let's get into it. So just carry your calculator and let us calculate. And actually, it's a very good question. The reason why I said it's a good question is because if you understand what I'm about to explain to you, you can tweak this suit to do other things. You can tweak how to cut a suit to cut other things. I believe maybe in the future some of you understand what I'm trying to say, but let me just do what I'm trying to explain in this video. Yeah, now remember, this is a suit I just cut. This is the front piece, this is the side piece, and then this is the back piece. Okay, now you know when you are sewing, this is the front piece. Of course, you know there's going to be a facing at the under, and then you are going to sew half inch here so that you can turn it. You are going to sew half inch all through here like this. Sorry, not half inch now. You are going to sew 0.25, that's 1/4 inch. That means if you've been sewing, whenever you are sewing and you are sewing here, what you are sewing here is more than 0.25. That means you are doing it wrong. It ought to be 0.25, that is 1/4 inch. Okay, so what you are sewing from here is 1/4 inch, that is 0.25. Yeah, and then when we were cutting this place, it was, remember there was a straight line here, this line here, that's the middle of our chest pocket. It extends downwards, and then we put 1/4 on one side, 1/4 on one side, and then we cut it out. That means we have half here during the drafting. And then when we are sewing, we are going to catch it and we are going to hold it like this and sew also 1/4 inch here, 1/4 inch here. That is 4 1/4 is going out of here. That is 4 1/4 is 1 inch. That is half inch during the drafting and then half inch during sewing. That is 1 inch. So 1 inch has gone from here. Then when we are drafting this side that we took out 3/4 inch from here. 3/4 inch went out of this place, right? 3/4 inch went out of this place. That is 0.75. 0.75 here. Now when we are sewing this place, when we are sewing, we are going to sew here to the back. Here what you are supposed to sew is is half here and then half here. That means if you are sewing less than half or you are sewing more than half, you are wrong. It should be half here, half here. That is 1 inch. That is 1 inch. And then another thing I forgot, we are going to join this side piece to the front. Half is going out of this. When we are sewing it, half is going here, half is going here. That means, let me come again. This 0.75 is from the drafting of that. When we are joining this side to the side, half is going here, half is going here. That is 1 inch. So another 1 inch have gone. So by the time we calculate all these, we are going to have 4 inches. We are going to have 4 inches. 4 inches here. Now, this 4 inches is for the top measurement. Now, there's another one under. It's on fold. You can see it's on fold. Everything is on fold. So, 4 is going for the top one. Another 4 is going for the bottom one. Now, that is how we got this 8 inches for the single vent. Remember, I told you when you are doing a single vent, the single vent is outside your box frame. Now, we've gotten 8, right? Now, I want to explain to you how we got 14. We've gotten 8. How we got the 14 is that, remember, when we left 3 inches here to get our vents. 1.5, and then here we remove 3 here. So those 3 at the top, 3 at the bottom is 6. So plus 6 is equals to 14. So you can see the 14, we didn't just wake up one day and decide to use 14 to get the box frame just to wow anybody. The 14 actually has a use, and it's accounted. It can be accounted for when sewing. So that is how we got this 14, and that is how we got this 8. The 8 is for all the allowance, the seaming allowance, the dart allowance, and everything. Then the 6, which appears on the double vent, is for the vent of the double vent, because it falls inside the box frame. That's why we have to include it inside the 14. Well, the reason why we didn't include this 6 in a single vent, because it's outside our box frame. Do you understand? So that is that. Thank you so much for watching. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you've not, and to register for my suit course, here's my number. Send me a message on WhatsApp. See you there.